Hi, and welcome to Project X. So today on Project X, we took delivery of a 370Z. Yeah, it's a cool car, fine, sporty, a bit of front end damage, but it's a cool car. And okay, I see airbag deployed. Interior is nice, very beautiful interior, and I see the exhaust system is here. So that's that. So it's a pretty cool car. Under 100,000 kilometers, so pretty good deal. Yeah, Z cars are very nice, very reliable, and parts are readily available everywhere. Really cool sports car. Let's take a look here under the hood. Under the hood, that 3.7 a Nissan V6, approximately 300 and I think it's 315, 320 horsepower, 285 torque, something like that. I stand corrected. Not bad. Damage is not severe, but let's see. Yeah, damage is not that bad, but may need adjusting, I guess. Yeah, I do love these Z's. Yeah, put it in the front. And as you would have it, temperatures have changed. So, and now it's gone from snow to ice to slush. So the car was delivered and put it in by the side of the driveway. As soon as I tried to move it, it slid down into the ditch. Now it may end up getting scratched by the trees, which I do not like. So I'll probably have to dig that out. The temperatures are still dropping, so instead of fighting it, I think I'll leave it here. Let the slush melt, because I think for the next couple of days, temperatures are not going to be too bad. So I'll have to just leave it out here. Look at that, slush. I've been icing this driveway for days, but still the car slid down and got stuck in the driveway. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying about Canadian vlogging. Snowbelt vlogging is quite a difficult thing, because you have to be dealing with all this stuff. Beautiful car. So it's not a bad car. Not bad. Windscreen has got little crack on the windshield. But otherwise, the interior is pretty solid, pretty good. Pretty good. So, we'll see. Maybe it'll be keeper. I love this car actually. I love this car. It's a pretty cool car. I never thought I'd actually like it, but it's very classy. Very classy little car. Maybe the wife's birthday is coming up soon. Maybe I'll gift her this. Because it's actually automatic. That would be cool. And that will be awesome. But I doubt it'll be fixed in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, as I was saying, it is difficult to be a Canadian, well, to be a vlogger here in the snow areas, because you have such a limited time to try and fix the cars, and most shops are backed up, so the cars go and they park there. So you're dealing with that too, and you're dealing with batteries because of the cold weather. Every other year you're buying a battery, exhaust rust because of the salt. Yeah, it's quite challenging. I don't feel like moving to an area where there is less snow. So if I am to be a car vlogger, which is something I didn't really look into before I tried to do vlogs because of my car passion, is that maybe this is not an area to be doing it full time, because it is quite difficult vlogging here, in an area where there is a lot of snow. Lots of challenges, very little window to actually put out any content. Most of the time it's winter, summer is short, and there's only so much content you can do, even if I have to shoot for summer, which also means now it's a position where you have to get cars that are ready, get cars that are near complete cars. So you have to get cars nearly complete, so that you can keep it consistent. I can't really be consistent. I can't make enough money to do this full time. So I've got a lot of interesting cars, lots of things I want to do, but it is quite challenging.